What's going on, guys? So recently I did a trade with someone, and in that trade they threw in this Benchmade that definitely needs to be sent back to the repair department to see what they can do to fix it. There's multiple problems with it, but what I want to do is do another test for the warranty department. The first time I did this with those 3 different knives, there were obviously some issues, and some people really didn't like the fact that it had my name on it, that they can identify who I was, and they thought I got special treatment. So this time, not only am I not going to tell you what knife it is, okay, just in case they see this video, they won't know what model it is, nor will they know what the problems are. But on top of that, I'm not even going to be sending it. I'm giving it to a friend who's going to send it from a completely different address, totally different name. It's going to represent what would happen when you guys send your stuff in. The only thing I will say is that there's multiple issues here, okay, and separate issues from the last time. So I'm very curious to see what they're going to do, if they're going to charge, money for certain things, and when it's all over with, I'll tell you the experience. I'm just giving you a heads up now that I'm doing this. What I'm going to do is once I shut this video off, I'm going to make a separate video showing the knife and talking about all the problems before I send it out. So when it comes back, I'll put those videos together and I'll give you, basically the results. But you'll see it beforehand. I just don't want to talk about it or show it right now because, again, it's going to be 100% anonymous. All right, this is going to be a better representation of just an average person sending it in for repair. So stay tuned. I knew eventually I would come across some more knives that are going to need to be repaired, and first up is Benchmade. Eventually, I'll do the same thing with any other broken knives. Doesn't matter what the companies are. We'll try Kershaw again in the future. Spyderco, obviously I want to do a video on specifically because I never actually got to experience their repair department since it was a fake. So yeah, if you're interested in the first series, but you kind of had a problem with me sending it from my address and my name and everything, well, now you won't. This is completely 100% anonymous, random person. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Couple weeks, I'll get it back and we'll talk about it. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.